Okay, so good morning again. No? So a while ago, I have mentioned the role of statistics in the public administration, which serve as the backbone of the evidence-based governance. No? The two pillars, as our presenter discussed, is about the two pillars of statistical analysis. Course is about descriptive and inferential statistics. No? The nature and purpose of descriptive statistics focus on the structure snapshot of data through measure of central tendency, dispersion, and distribution. For the central tendency in government data, it can measure a measure such as the mean, median, and mode reveal the typical value, no, of data set as our presenter mentioned. Let's say, for example, no, the median, no, household income in municipality offers a more robust indicator of economic well-being than the mean when data are skewed by a small number of high-income household. No, so understand these measures ensures that policy interpretation are not disturbed by extreme values. No? So dispersion and variability, no? While central tendency shows the middle ground, dispersion, no? Expressed through range, variance, and standard deviation, illustrate inequality and risk. No? Let's say a city's average crime rate may appear no stable, but a high variance could mean that some neighborhoods experience proportionately high crime. No, guiding administrator to allocate targeted resources. No? Descriptive statistics become most powerful no, when communicated effectively, like tables, through histograms and geographic heat maps, no, allow decision makers to grasp no, complex quickly or complex realities quickly. Public administrators frequently present such visualization in budget hearings or performance audits, making clarity and accuracy critical for transparency and accountability. So, uh, is there any limits for descriptive analysis? Yes. Despite their value, descriptive statistics cannot establish causality or predict future outcomes, knowing that the unemployment rate dropped now by 2%, explain what but not why, or what next without inferential tools. Administrator risk making policy based solely on a snapshot rather than tested relationship. So I just want to play a video presentation uh, as an additional input no, for the descriptive statistics. Wait. Oh, what?
Hello. Sir, bali ito lang po yung aking mga na-search about